Hi, now let me teach you how to auto scroll on TikTok on your iPhone. So there's only one way to do this. Please go on settings. Once we are here, look for your accessibility tab. It's over here. Now, you want to look for voice control options. It's over here. Now as you can see, mine is already enabled. I'm going to turn it off first so you can see. Please click on this tab over here, the toggle button. Make sure it shows green or it's toggled. Once it's okay, please click on customize command because we're going to create a new command for this. As you can see, I already created a few shortcuts here. What you want to do is create a new command and just click or name it next swipe and click on action. Make sure you click the middle part, the run custom gesture. Once here, just put your finger from down to up real quickly, but a clean swipe, okay? Make sure it's a clean swipe and click on save. Go back. So you have your phrase next swipe, the action gesture, and application on any, and with that just click on save. Now to test this command, please go on TikTok. Now what we're gonna do here is just say the word next swipe, because that's the one we put, right? So let me try over here. I'm just gonna scroll for one time. Now next swipe. It should work over here, but technically that's the process. That's it. That's how you auto scroll on TikTok.